It's the 24th of September 2020, and today we're here to check out the Prep 1 Animal Parade. There are many excited prep students wearing a variety of animal costumes today, but before we take a closer look at what's happening, I had a chance to talk to Miss Aga and Miss Seals about what has become a beloved annual event.
So we're so excited in Prep 1 this morning as we look forward to celebrating our exit point for our amazing Animals IPC unit. And as we speak, the children are arriving in their costumes. Some of them are swimming into school today, some of them are flying, some of them are creeping in.
Your costume looks really interesting. What did you dress up as?
A butterfly.
A cat.
We are going to enjoy our annual parade through school, past all the early years classrooms. And when we get to the hall, we have a fantastic collaboration with the PE department this year. And you're looking amazing today, Mrs. Eels.
Thank you. Children came to PE and with all their animal ideas, and they showed us different moves that all the different animals could make. So we have created a underwater dance today as the end exit point of this unit. So we're very much looking forward to showing that to everyone.